Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily capture both your screen and microphone audio on your iPad Pro. To enable screen recording on iPad with mic and audio, we'll go to Settings and Screen Time, a key area for managing these features. Now we have the Content and Privacy Restrictions option available right here, conveniently located. We'll navigate to Allowed Apps and Features, ensuring all necessary apps are enabled for this process to function correctly now. Now, let's head to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games section, where we can enable screen recording, a crucial step, and here we'll also input our screen time passcode for an extra layer of security and control. With screen recording enabled, we'll now proceed to allow microphone access, a crucial step for capturing high-quality audio that's essential for effective screen recordings and a more engaging overall experience. Now both our microphone and screen recording are on. Let's confirm this setup. We'll access the control center by sliding down and turn on screen recording from there. Then, we'll double tap the microphone icon to activate it, ensuring audio capture. With everything set up, our screen recording will start, indicated by a red dot, confirming the process is working as expected, and we'll quickly verify that it's indeed active now. We can now verify that the sound is indeed audible, which is great, confirming our setup is complete and fully functional as expected, so everything is working just as it should be. Screen recording made easy. Check the description for a discount. Like and subscribe.